Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making high-protein broccoli pasta. This fresh, nutritious, high-protein broccoli pasta is the perfect dish to nourish your family. It is a vibrant green color from the broccoli pasta, and it's coated with a creamy, flavorful cottage cheese Alfredo sauce for a boost of protein. And this recipe couldn't be easier. You can literally use kitchen shears to form your pasta shapes. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, steam the broccoli. Fill a lidded pot with 1 inch of water and insert a steamer basket. Then bring the water to a boil. Place the broccoli florets in the steamer and steam until they are very soft and can easily be smashed with a pair of tongs. Alternatively, you can also boil the broccoli until soft. Drain the broccoli, then mash it with a potato masher or process it with a food processor until smooth. In a bowl, transfer the mashed broccoli, flour, egg, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Mix until well combined. Then transfer the mixture to a lightly floured work surface and knead until a firm and bouncy dough forms. Wrap the dough with plastic wrap and let rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, prepare the pasta sauce. In a high-speed blender, add the cottage cheese, milk, grated Parmesan, and smashed garlic cloves, then blend until well combined. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and bring to a simmer. Whisk together the cornstarch and water and add it to the pasta sauce. Stir until the sauce thickens. Season with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Transfer the sauce to a large bowl. Now bring water to a boil. Remove the plastic wrap from the dough and use a pair of scissors to shave off thin ovals of pasta into the boiling water. Boil the pasta until fully cooked, about 5 minutes. Strain the pasta into the sauce and toss until well coated. For an additional vegetarian or vegan protein, you can add cooked chickpeas. Or for omnivores, grilled chicken or salmon would pair perfectly with this recipe. Garnish with a fresh grating of Parmesan and finely chopped parsley. Serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I am so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.